Hi, it's Charlotte from Monty Accounting here. Today we're going to show you how to set up a Stripe bank account in Xero and how to create and import Stripe bank statements. This will allow you to reconcile your Stripe receipts to your sales invoices in Xero. In this example, we've already set up a Stripe bank account in Xero. Xero doesn't recognise Stripe as a bank account, so just set it up with blank figures as we have here. Next, you need to set up a bank transfer rule for your bank account where the Stripe money is received. This rule transfers any money that comes in from Stripe out of the main bank account and into the new Stripe account. If we take a look at the main bank account, we can see this working. Click OK to transfer these funds into the new Stripe account. We can see these are now in the Stripe bank account as transactions. However, we now need a bank statement in here to use the power of the Xero bank reconciliation, and we need to create this using Stripe. We need to download the relevant payouts and payments from Stripe. Firstly, we'll start with the payments. Click on Payments, then you can filter to get the correct date range. Then you can export the data. You can also date range at the point of export if you prefer. Now we need to do the same with the payouts. Click on Balance, then click on Payouts, Export, and select your dates. The exports you get will look like this. This is the payouts export. You can see the amounts paid to the bank account here. These amounts should match to the unreconciled figures you have in your Xero Stripe account. Next is the payment export from Stripe, and this breaks down the underlying transactions of the payouts, and this is the information we're interested in. Each line has a code that matches it back to the payouts export, and you can use this code to ensure that you're bringing in the right transactions. Using these exports, you can create a bank statement to import into Xero. We use VLOOKUPs to make this quicker. The first part of the bank statement is the payouts, which need to be entered as negatives. Column H is our lookup reference. Next, we bring in the transaction fees. And finally, we bring in the transaction details, and these are what make up our bank statement lines in Xero. This column must total nil. You can see here that our column doesn't equal nil. When this happens, you need to investigate in Stripe. It's normally a chargeback or a refund. In this case, it's a refund. And we enter that here. Download the bank statement into CSV and upload this into the Stripe bank account in Xero. Now in the Stripe account you can match off the Stripe payouts, and this leaves you with a Stripe bank account, and you can start matching off your invoices as you do with your normal bank account. So that's it. We think this is the best way to reconcile your Stripe income in Xero. If you've got any questions, please let us know.